Hi, this is Leo from Power, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect the solar panel kits to a solar port, maybe on the side of your trailer or your RV. So you can see here, it is a 120 watt solar panel with a 20 amp charge controller, and all the cables and here alligator clips. So if you have a solar port on the side of the trailer, so you don't need this alligator clips anymore, but you will need an adapter cable. So let me show you. So first disconnect this clips, and then let me find here you can see it is a Anderson to SAE adapter. So all you need to do is connect this adapter to this cable from the charge controller. Let me connect here. And right now, you just connect this connector to your solar port on the side of your trailer, or this is an example. So the solar port, your solar port is a SAE port, but if you have a Freon port, so you can just use another adapter. So you can see here is a Anderson to Freon adapter. So also just connect here, and this way it goes to the port on your trailer. And also let me show you what this adapter should looks like when it's working. Okay, let me change back to this alligator clips here. So you can see right now I have a battery here. So let me connect the positive to the positive side and negative to the negative side. Right now you can see the charge controller turns on and it shows the voltage of the battery. And if you see this, okay, so that means it's great. So it already connect to this battery, and all you need to do is put a solar panel outside and facing the sunlight, and then it will charge this battery. But in some case, there will be some problem, or will be some error code. So let me show you. If you so just now I show you positive to positive and negative to negative. But if you in some case maybe the cable or you made some mistake. So there is a reverse polarity problem. So that means you connect the positive to the negative part and negative to positive part. So that won't work. Let me show you what that looks like on the charge controller. So let me just connect the negative to the positive on the battery and the positive to negative on the battery. So that's not right. It is not the correct connection, but I will just show you. And let me just put the solar panel. Take it. You can see right now on the solar panel, it just the screen is flashing and it shows BRC and BO2. So this error code, that means the battery is not connect right. It's not right. It's reversed. So right now, if you have this problem, don't worry. It is pretty easy to fix this problem. So yeah, and if the solar port on your trailer is a SAE port, all you need to do is first let me connect the adapter. And our Anderson to SAE adapter will come with a reversing part. So if you put this SAE connector to the solar port on your trailer, it is not right. The cable reversed. You just need to put this reversing part here. Put it like this. Put it on connector, and use this side connect to your trailer, and it will fix the problem. And we have another way. This is the easiest way to fix this problem, but we also have another solution. So For example, right now, if I connect this this connector to the solar port, if it is not correct, you can just like here. You can see you can change the cable connection on the charge controller to fix this problem. You can see here, this two is for the solar cables connect to the solar panel, so you don't need to do that. And then these two cables is for the batteries. All you need to do is switch. Here are the two cables. You switch these two cables. You can see for right now it's a positive to this one and negative this one. So if you have a reverse problem, just switch these two cables and it will fix this problem. All right, thank you so much.